What's up, guys, and welcome back to Bookop Entertainment. So, Julius Malema has responded to that MTANC rally, and he just came in and said this is so bad in the extreme. So, the EFF is laughing at the ANC, for failing to fill a stadium. When it comes to filling the stadiums, we all know who are the experts in this is the EFF themselves. They've proved this over and over again. So Julius Malema is laughing at the ANC, and they even challenged the MK at one point, to fill what's the stadium? Eh, to fill the FNB stadium in Johannesburg. They challenged them, but the MK was like, no, 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 we are not in the game of filling stadiums here. So this is Malema laughing at the ANC for failing to fill the stadium. Whether it matters much or not, it's something not much, but I think it matters a lot. Because Fikile Mbalula even explained, at some point, that they had 20,000 people. So it's about pride at the end of the day. So it kind of matters to some extent. I'll catch you guys on the next one.